2015, cash machines belonging to a major bank suddenly stopped dispensing money. All bank card services are frozen. Tens of thousands of irate customers jam the helplines, and the bank's operations grind to a halt. In another industry, another incident. After launching a promotional campaign, an airline ticket website receives 50 times more requests than usual, and as a result, the system goes down for several hours. In both cases, the problem was in the IT systems, which were unable to handle the required amount of data. The outcome was the loss of both customers and profits. Every large company has its own IT system, and every system has its performance limits. If the limits are unknown, the system can fail when you least expect it. To prevent incidents like these, Performance Lab offers load testing. Load testing is designed to identify the point at which the weight of data and the quantity of users is most likely to cause a sharp slowdown in the system or provoke a denial of services. This type of situation may occur, for example, when your business and consequently the load on your software is growing very fast. Maybe you've launched an advertising campaign and instead of the usual 100,000 visitors per month, 1 million turn up. Or maybe you're planning to open new branches or to integrate disparate IT resources into one centralized system. Whatever the case, you need to know how many users can work in the system at the same time and how much data it can handle. Otherwise, it will hang and inevitably you will lose customers. For example, the failure of a telecom operator's billing system can lose the company hundreds of thousands of dollars an hour. A malfunction in a warehouse management system can shut down the warehouse. Perhaps you've already had visitors complaining that pages on your website are taking too long to load. Or maybe your employees have mentioned that report generation is too slow, end-of-day reports are taking too long, and it takes all day to calculate the payroll. These are all signs that your system is already overloaded and that a crash is waiting to happen. Would you like to find out how to avoid software failures that could lose you money and damage your reputation? Load testing services from Performance Lab will help to identify your system's upper performance level. With your system on an individual test bench, we recreate the entire load that occurs during real operations. Next, we define the factors that limit performance and recommend ways of overcoming potential bottlenecks. It's also important to know that you don't necessarily need all the new, more powerful hardware your vendor may be advising you to buy. In fact, you can save millions of dollars on the needless purchase of expensive hardware by using Performance Lab's load testing service to optimize the performance of your information system. Fill out the form on the site to find how to save money and protect your IT system from crashing.